Welcome to Master Your Life Academy. In this module, you'll learn vital safety and emergency preparedness skills for your home, work, school, and everyday life. Each video provides practical, easy-to-follow steps, helping you feel confident and ready to tackle any situation. Remember, these lessons are for education. For hands-on emergencies or medical advice, always consult a certified professional. Let's build your safety skills together. Fire and disaster response skills save lives and minimize damage. No common fire hazards, unattended stoves, overloaded outlets, candles, and heating units. Install working smoke detectors on every level of your home and test them monthly. Make a fire escape plan. Identify 2 exits from every room and practice getting out quickly. Agree on an outdoor meeting spot with your household. Teach everyone how to use a fire extinguisher, PASS. Pull the pin, aim the nozzle, squeeze the handle, sweep across the base of the fire. If you hear a fire alarm or see smoke, crawl low under it and test doors for heat before opening. Never re-enter a burning building. For natural disasters, earthquake, hurricane, tornado, follow local alerts and know where your emergency kit is. Have evacuation routes and shelter locations mapped out in advance. Practice drop, cover, and hold on for earthquakes, or head to interior rooms far from windows for tornadoes. If asked to evacuate, do so immediately. Bring your kit, lock your doors, and check on neighbors if safe. Know community shelters, emergency numbers, and local warning systems. Stay tuned to official updates by radio, app, or TV. No matter the emergency, having a practice plan and supplies ready means you can act fast, protect everyone, and recover quickly.